Starting an online business, it's not rocket science. You don't need to be a tech expert or to have some fancy degrees. What you need is a high ticket digital product, a step by step system, and the right support and guidance. I used to be a stressed out stay at home mommy with no qualifications and a burning desire to help my overworked husband financially without leaving my kids behind. So 18 months ago, I stepped into the digital space and started learning the skills how to make money from home with a 2-hour workday and the full support of a community. This isn't about selling a dream, my friend. This is about showing that the right system changes everything. If you are a stressed out stay at home mommy on the other side and you really want to help, you have that burning desire to change your life, to change your family's life with a 2-hour work a day. It will be my biggest pleasure to equip you with the exact same strategies that I've been using for the past 18 months now. So put a word ready in my comments and let me pluck you.